Industry 4.0, self-driving cars, flying taxis. In fact, my voice is a computer-created system. We are already in the future. Do not be left out of this era and show your talent by participating in the most innovative challenges of business solutions in computer-aided design through the Vcrate platform. Vcrate is the platform that connects technological talent with startups and companies. If you have a company or venture, you can upload CAD design technological contests and receive proposals for business solutions from anywhere in the world. If you are an innovator or inventor, you will be able to participate and present your business solution for the different contests. Startups or companies select the best proposals according to their needs. If a proposal is selected as the best for a business challenge, the innovator or inventor will be able to access prizes and remuneration for said solution. The prizes could include a direct hire or royalties according to the agreement signed between the parties. Startups or companies receive disruptive ideas and high-level solutions as they are the product of a process of open competition. We just create a huge momentum for technology innovation. Vcrate. We connect technological talent with startups and companies based on CAD design innovation contests.